This is just a quick reminder for you. Whatever is the most important in your life, make sure you make that a priority. For me, it's my family. I try to do everything towards giving them a better life. Sometimes when I work too much, I set aside a night or so and say, hey, listen guys, this happened this past week. I said, listen, I know I've been working a lot. I miss you guys. I want to spend some time. We went bowling, just hung out as a family. It was nice to get out. But don't let life catch you up in all the small things, and you're wasting your time figuring all the small things and you're missing the big picture. Too many of us do that. So whatever it is, today, stop. Think about it. Prioritize your life. Before you know it, your life is going to be gone. And do you want to sit back and have any regrets because you didn't put enough time and effort into the things that you love or love doing, or show the people that you care, or even tell them that you care? No, you don't want to have any regret. So again, figure out what is most important in your life and make it a priority today. Don't wait.